In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Wix website responsive to all screens. Let's get started. First, you want to make sure that you are on the exact site where you want to work on. And to know that, you want to go to the top left of your screen and you will see My Site or the title of your site. Just make sure that it has a check mark. And after that, you want to go beside Dashboard and click on Edit Site. Now, once you are on your site, you will see something like grid lines. These are called grid lines, and they are your basis in making sure that the elements of your screen fit exactly where this boundary is. If you don't have grid lines, you want to go to the top right of your screen and you will see Tools. Just make sure that grid lines and rulers are checked. Now you might wonder why I wanted to add rulers. The thing is, when you go and click on a page, the grid lines disappear. But if you add a ruler and add the specific line or the specific boundary on where you want your elements to go, when you click on the page, these lines, they don't go. But grid lines, they do. So let's say that in order for our website to fit all screens, it has to be, or the elements have to be inside this grid line over here. To match that, we can just drag this ruler up in here and on the other side. So whenever we click on a specific page, we have a marking on where we want the elements to go. Now, this is as simple as dragging your elements right in this boundary. But if you want to do it on mobile view, we want to go to the top left of your screen and click on the small phone and switch to mobile. Now, mobile view looks exactly different, and at the same time, when you go to Tools, Grid Lines is grayed out. This is because there won't be grid lines here because it isn't that necessary, knowing that in mobile view, everything is compact, but you do get a ruler. Interesting thing about rulers is you can add about an unlimited amount of rulers, just so you know where to put specific elements. Let's say I just want this one here, and then this to go exactly where from this line to this line will be. And that's about it. That's how to make Wix website responsive to all screens. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.